Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox Lenovo ThinkPlus LivePod LP5. So we already unboxed XT88 LP1S. Today we will unbox ThinkPlus LivePod LP5. So stay connected for interesting video. I buy this LivePod from Aliexpress. It's a very cheap and not expensive. I will give you link in description below. If you like, you can buy through that link. So let's unbox and check what inside. Let's unbox our Lenovo LP5 TWS Bluetooth. It's a Lenovo brand. So what we found inside this box? At first we found Lenovo ThinkPlus LivePod LP5 manual and user guide. It's in English and Chinese. One QC certificate. Two pairs of earbud rubbers, smaller and bigger. Which one you like, you can use that one. One USB charging cable which is type C, so it's mean this earbuds charging interface is type C. This is the case. Inside the case have earbuds Lenovo LP5. So as you can see, it's available in many colors: white, gray, black, pink and green. Too many color available. Which one you like, you can buy that color. So when I open this case, it's green light, it's mean it's ready for pair. I remove this earbud from the case. As you can see, on the earbud back side have Lenovo logo mentioned here and one small indication which showing you status of this earbuds. Here is the touch control of this earbuds. From this touch control you can accept call, reject call, play music, pause, previous, next, increase volume, decrease and much many more functions. So let's check its charging. How to charge this LP5. It's a type C interface. So I connect my type C charging cable with this case. It's showing me white blinking indication. It's mean this case in charging mode. When it will become a full, this light will disappear or change color. So like this way you can charge your Lenovo ThinkPlus LivePod LP5. Let's talk about its specifications. As you can see here, Lenovo ThinkPlus LivePod LP5 product specification is transmission distance of this earbuds is 10 meter. It's mean from this earbud to your device should be within 10 meter range. This earbud battery capacity is 35 mAh. It's mean each earbud using 35 mAh battery and its usage time about 3.5 to 4 hours and its charging time about 1 hour. So 1 hour need it become a full charge for this earbud when you put in this case. And let's talk about this case specification. This case battery is 250 mAh which will give you about 15 to 16 hour backup time. So it's mean whole day without any hesitation you can use this earbud with the help of this box. And its charging interface is type C as I told you, and its rated input is 5 volt and 250 mAh. So it's mean you can use any charger of your smartphone to charge this device or this earbuds. So this is the all about specification of this Lenovo LP5. Let's check how to connect this TWS from your smartphone. For connecting of this LP5 on your smartphone, you need to open Bluetooth setting and scan for device. This is for first time. After that it will automatically connected with your device. So when you are going to connect, first put in box. After open the box and remove your earbuds and scan for Bluetooth device. I will start scan. So as you can see here showing me Lenovo ThinkPlus LP5. When I will touch on this LP5, it will ask me pair permission. I will click on pair. So it will connected on my smartphone. You can see connected for call and audio, 100% battery. So like this way you can connect this earbud to your device, and whenever you will put this earbud on the case and close the case, it will automatically disconnected. As you can see here, automatically disconnect. And I use this earbud for calling and music both purpose. Its sound is very clear and good in this price range. It's not very bad, and its calling also good. You can easily listen and talk with the help of this Lenovo LivePod LP5. So it's not very expensive, but it's very good among this price range. I give you link in description below. If you like, you can buy through that link. So this is the all about Lenovo LivePod LP5. Hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, and keep supporting guys. Take care. See you next video. Bye.